This is Stock Market Daily News Podcast, your go-to source for the latest market moves, trading trends, and actionable insights. It's February 22nd, 2026, and we're breaking down the closing numbers from yesterday alongside the stories driving the market today. Let's get right to the big index moves. The S&P 500 finished up 0.6%, closing at 4,822. The Dow Jones gained 72 points, a rise of 0.2%, ending at 38,431. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq outperformed again, up 1.2%, closing at 15,352. Today, the big story? Even the most famous Wall Street bear is cautiously changing his tune. Let's dive in. First up, John Hussman, an investor known for predicting the dot-com and financial crisis crashes, is sounding more upbeat on stocks. For nearly 2 decades, Hussman warned of steep market declines, but now he's reducing his usual downside hedges and allowing for more exposure, even in what he still calls a bubble. His logic? Some of the best market returns have arrived during high valuation periods, so keeping some skin in the game matters. For investors, that's a reminder. Even skeptics are finding roses among the thorns in today's market. Switching gears to corporate earnings, tech stocks powered much of the rally. Chipmaker Nvidia surged 8.4% to $673 after smashing earnings estimates and posting a bullish sales outlook on strong AI demand. That rally added more than $60 billion in market value and reignited buying across the entire semiconductor sector. For traders, momentum in tech remains undeniable. On the economic front, the latest CPI inflation report showed a mild uptick, with consumer prices rising 2.3% year-over-year. While inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, markets are betting the central bank will hold rates steady for now. Investors should note, inflation isn't out of the picture, but fears of an immediate rate hike are easing. In other movers, energy stocks slipped as crude prices fell below $80 a barrel. That put pressure on ExxonMobil and Chevron, which dropped 1.2% and 0.9% respectively. Weak global demand and increased U.S. inventories were the main drivers. Energy's underperformance highlights ongoing uncertainty in the commodity markets. Lastly, keep an eye on consumer discretionary stocks. Amazon climbed 2.1% after announcing a major stock buyback program, boosting investor confidence and adding fuel to a sector that's been quietly outperforming over the last quarter. Quick recap. S&P 500 closed strong, the Nasdaq led gains, and even longtime market skeptics are showing more optimism. Tech continues to outpace, inflation is cooling, and sector rotations are in play. Looking ahead, watch for tomorrow's pending home sales numbers and earnings from major retailers as we head deeper into earnings season. Be sure to subscribe, visit our website, and follow us for your daily market edge. Thanks for listening to Stock Market Daily News Podcast. See you tomorrow with more actionable market updates.